This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add an emoji on Google Docs. So right here on Google Docs, I am in an untitled document, and I've just got some dummy text I've added, just some placeholder text from online, just for the purposes of this video. Now, let's say at the end of this sentence, for whatever reason, we want to add an emoji, wherever you want to add it in your document. It's very, very simple. You can come up to the top, and we will click on Insert in the toolbar right here. Then we will hover over symbols, so you've got the smiley face and symbols, and from here we can add the emoji, an equation even, or special character. So we'll click on emoji, and there we have all of our different emojis, all the usual smiley face ones. So this is all built directly into Google Docs. You can actually fast track your way through these different things. If you wanted sort of buildings and cars, you can put that on there. There's obviously trophies and stuff. So let's just go ahead and put, I think that's a basketball. We'll put a basketball in there. So whatever emoji you want, yeah, you can put that in. If we wanted one at the end of, say, this paragraph, just down here, the short paragraph. Now, another way to do this, if you're on a Mac, I'll just show you there's an extra way. You can go Control, Command, and spacebar, hold those together, and that will bring up this universal menu. These are actually slightly different, some of these. If we wanted this kind of captain or whatever lady right here, we can click to insert that there, and you can see that she's in there. And so all of that will obviously carry over if you turn this into a PDF or whatever, or you save this with anyone. They will be able to see these emojis as well, of course. So that is how you will add emojis. You can do it on the Mac using the keyboard like I showed you, with Control, Command, and spacebar at once. So you will be inserting these like special emojis that come with the Mac. But if you just want the ones that are built into the Google Docs, obviously you will come up to Insert, and you'll come down to Symbols and Emoji, and you can add whatever you want to in there. So that was a very short, no fluff video on how to add emojis into Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.